Welcome back to the Lost Cause Ranch. We obviously made it out here to Maine for the winter romp. We'll find out a little bit later if the series itself made it. It was quite the challenge in the week leading up to the trip out here. But today, we're gonna take a little look at what else is happening out here on the Millennium Green with all the rovers that made the trip out here to play in the snow.
I got like half off in stage food.
It's just wild out here because every corner you turn, find another random Land Rover just hanging out in the woods. He's been the tow truck.
Yeah, we got that auction tonight, so I gotta hook up with him because he's gonna need a bunch.
Let's get some. Now right there is the frickin' way to winter romp. We'll see you later.
Honestly, you got a copy out there, buddy?
You got that? I just went ahead, you know, got that good footage and dumped this all over myself, like the smart guy I am.
What's up?
There's a little more ledge today.
It's just
Let her eat. Don't need that shock back there. We made it back to the Waterville Grand. I can say Maine did not disappoint, and it was fun seeing all the Land Rovers out there playing. Today was just a short little video of what we got to see at the Winter Romp. It was a blast of a weekend, but stay tuned. The next video is going to be the prep on our 1966 Series 2A to get ready to come out here, and you get to see whether or not in about a week's time we were able to get that thing in shape and take the 1,400-mile journey from Iowa to Maine. Did it even get here? Appreciate you guys watching, appreciate you subscribing, and we will catch you on that next one.
so the trick is you get a soft start. A lot of guys go right in,
And you burn the
and then
blade.
the fucking blade goes like this, right?
You gotta get a groove for the blade.
See that motion, that back and forth? That helps clean the teeth so that you get all the metal out and it doesn't overheat one section of the blade. That is the straightest cut you've ever seen. The only thing straight at your house. Straight line, precision, you can just tack it back together, job done. See, he didn't listen, he didn't get his groove, he went right in too fast.
Oh, no one's as good as Justin if you ask Justin. Don't dent the fender. Oh.
Bam. That is sweet.